Good morning students, welcome. Good morning students of class 5 Pine. Welcome to the English class. Students, this is your English grammar class. Get ready. Students of class 5, get ready. Take out your English textbook. No, grid view is on. Srijit, it is Joita, Shirin, very good morning. So, students, get ready. Now, do you remember in the last English grammar class what we did? What we learned? In the last English grammar class, what we learned? Who can tell me? Shirin, Priyojit, very good morning, Neil Sri. Then Ritoja. Yes, it is class 4. Oh, I told to class 5. No, it's class 4. I am sorry, students. If I told class 5, then it is wrong. Sorry, students. Okay. Yes, Joita, you are correct. In the last class, we did can, cannot, must not, can, may, should, must. Isn't it? That chapter we did. Noitik, what happened? Noitik, what is the meaning of this emoji? So, students, do you remember that chapter we already completed? How are you, Musharraf? After so many days, I saw you. Musharraf, how are you? Yes, after so many days. Where were you? Okay. So, students, today we will, do you remember that chapter also completed, but due to technical problems that day I couldn't convey all the chapter to the chapter to all the sections. That is why today I will repeat that chapter, and also we will proceed to the next chapter, that is adverb. We will not do subject verb agreement. Okay. Yes, very good morning. Subject verb agreement we will not do. That means that will not come in the exam. Sure? Okay. Now, at first we will start the chapter adverb. Then I will repeat can, must not. Okay, that chapter. So, please open page number 77. Page number 77. Okay, get ready. Page number 77, that is adverb. Okay, chapter adverb. What is called an adverb? An adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb. Adverb. So, adverb is a word that adds meaning to the verb. That adds to the meaning of a verb. Yes, Nilanjan, very good morning. So, this is adverb and different types of. So, what we learned, an adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb. For example, if I say she sang beautifully, how did she sing? She sang beautifully. Okay, here beautifully is the adverb. If I tell she wrote fast, how did she write? The answer is fast. She wrote fast. Fast is an adverb. Different types of adverbs are there. Page number 77. Priyojit, page number 77. So, adverb of manner, adverb of, at first adverb of manner, just now I told she sang beautifully. This is an example of adverb of manner. Then comes adverb of place, then adverb of time, okay, clear, then adverb of frequency. So, how many types? 4 types. First one adverb of manner, then adverb of place, okay, then adverb of time, and next one, the last one, adverb of frequency. So, today we will discuss only about the first one, that is adverb of manner. Okay. So, adverb of manner tells how or in what manner an action is done. Adverb of manner tells how or in what manner, okay, the action is done, that is adverb of manner. She sang beautifully. How? Beautifully. This is the adverb of manner. This is the example of adverb of manner. Speak politely. How to speak? Politely. That is adverb of manner. Don't treat animals cruelly. Cruelly. How? Cruelly. That is adverb of manner. Okay. So, page number 78. Page number 78. Underline the adverbs of manner. The first one, underline the adverbs of manner in the following sentences. Circle the verb. So, we will underline the adverb and circle the verb which they are added to. The first one, can you see, students, the board? Can you see? Yes. So, students, adverb number E, E1, the driver drove the car dangerously. The driver drove the car dangerously. So, underline. So, drove, circle, dangerously, underline. Number 2, Rohan knocked at the door gently. Knocked, circle, gently, underline. Number 3, Kapil slept soundly, slept soundly. Number 4, do your work carefully, work carefully. Number 5, the lion rode fiercely, rode fiercely. Number 6, Virat played well and made a double century, played well. Number 7, talked, the principal talked to the child tactfully, talked tactfully. Number 8, she walked fast, walked fast. Number 9, Akbar ruled wisely, ruled wisely. Number 10, Geeta does her work neatly, work neatly. Okay. So, today we up to this, from this chapter up to this, now we will repeat, now we will revise the previous chapter, because that day due to some technical problems I could not convey the whole chapter for some time, because there were so many problems. At that day it was a problematic day, that is why we will repeat, right students. So, at first write this one. Are you writing? Okay. If you have completed this one, then tell me, so that I can move to the next one. Oh, completed, Ayan, very good. Rajdeep, completed. So nice of you. So, yes, completed, very good, very good. I know you all are so good. That is why I thought today I will do the new one, I mean the new chapter adverb, then we will revise the previous chapter. Very good. Tell me your name. Oh, Nilsri, I know. You are a regular student and you are very good. So, open page number 66. Oh, yes. Tell me your name. Yes? Oh, Rupsha, I know you are also a regular student. Actually, some of the students are so regular and so particular. They always completed their work and they are so good. And I know some. I can tell the name. I can take the names also. For example, Joita is there. Joita is always present. Joita, Shirin, Ausnik, Ayan, Nilanjan. Then Nilsri is there. Rupsha, Priyojit. Yes, I know. Rajdeep, Nilanjan. You all are every day. The Rahul is there. They are always present and always doing their work very fast. So, students, open page number 66. Okay, page 66. I know Priyojit, you have completed. I know you are a good boy. So, can, may, should, must. Can suggest the ability to do something. Can, cannot. Okay, can suggest the ability to do something, and cannot refusing. Cannot. It shows the absence of ability. Cannot shows the absence of ability. Okay. Then comes may, not. May is used to seek permission, and may not refusing permission. May is used to seek permission. May I come in, ma'am? And may not refusing the permission. No, may not. That means don't come in. Then comes should not. Should and should not both are used for giving suggestion. You should do this, you should not do that. That is for suggestion, for giving suggestion we use should not, right. Then comes must not. Okay, must, when we use must, when if it is necessary. Okay, when it is necessary to do something, then we use must. You must do it. That means it is very much necessary to do this. That is why we are using must, and must not means not necessary. And you know, students, both must and should, they both have the similar meaning. They both have the similar meaning. But if we write in this way, I mean must plus verb, then it shows the necessity. That means it is necessary to do. And but if we write should plus verb, that is then it means that it is very important. You should do it. Okay, should plus verb means to show the importance. Okay, and if we write must plus verb, that means it is necessity. It is very much that means to show the necessity, it is very much necessary. That is why then we use must plus verb. But if we use should plus verb, then to show the importance, then it is very much important. That is why we are using this should plus verb, right. So, come to the page 66, number 1, B number 1, page 66. Okay. The first one, can read. Number 2, can use. Number 3, can take. Number 4, can climb. In the last class we already did this. Still I am doing, because due to some technical problems, maybe somebody missed, that is why. Number 5, can begin. Number 6, can have. Number 7, can leave. Cannot leave. Number 8, can drop. Okay. Then page number 67, may come. Number 2, may go. Number 3, Number 4, may use. Can, sorry, may use. Number 5, may leave. Number 6, may join. Number 7, may watch. Number 8, number 7, may watch. Number 8, may go, may not. Number 9, may donate. Number 10, may purchase. Now write. Okay. Now, yes, come to the next page. Page number 68. Number 1, should reach. Number 2, should go. Should go. Number 3, should not play. Should not play. Number 4, should practice. Students, can I rub this portion? Can I? Oh, you all are writing very fast, very fast. And I am so glad that you are writing before me. So, number 5, should take. Should take. Number 6, should discuss. Should discuss. Number 7, should change. Should change. Number 8, should wear. Number 9, should not waste. Number 10, should get. Okay. Now, number 8, 1. Numbers 8 must return. Number 9. Number 9 must consult. Number 10 must not violate. Yes, tell me. Students, syllabus will be informed later because school will inform that and then only we can. Have you got other subject syllabus? Okay, now we cannot tell, school will inform, then only we can, okay? Okay, thank you. So, students, have you completed? All of you? All of you? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. So, can I rub? Okay. So, now students, I will ask, you will answer me, okay? Your voice is so sweet, I think you dash practice, sorry, already I told the answer, okay. Next one, you dash this route, it is always crowded, you dash this route, it is always crowded. You should change this route, it is always crowded. It is from page number 68. Number 7, you should change this route, it is always crowded. You should not take, no, Rahul, you should not take, no, you should change, you should change. If you write, you should not take, then what we will write for question number 5? Okay, that's why, understood? Yeah, that's why we will write, you should change this route. Now, next one. You dash this book to the library by Sunday. Okay, you should return or you must return. Okay, very good. Now, the next one. I dash without glasses. Who can tell me first? I dash with. Okay, you can write I cannot see or I can read. Okay. Now, next one. Ma'am, dash I dash to the computer room. May I go? May I go? Very good. Now the last one. Now the last one. Papa, dash I dash this dress. Yes, Papa, may I purchase? Okay, very good. And thank you. My voice is echoing. Oh, I am so sorry. Okay, students, for today, bye. Till then, stay well. Bye, students. Bye, bye, students.